Hi, welkom bij Geratel.
Hi, I'm Muriel and welcome to another Quazy Ride. And in this video we're going to take you to the technical workshop we're doing today. Wow, that was fun. A full workshop with a lot of information, and now we should know what we should check and how we should check it. So we'll check it on our own bikes when we get home. And well, if you like this video, hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel if you don't want to miss the videos on all the motorcycle fun we are doing. And maybe you want to have a look on the non-technical video I made on how to prepare your bike for spring.